Hi guys, welcome back to Dude's Tech, and today we're taking a look at Best Thermal Imaging Camera. If you need a smart way to detect heat issues, find hidden faults, or monitor temperature changes with precision, this device could be a powerful tool in your hands. Let's explore what makes it stand out. Let's get started. Today we're talking about the Habotest HT821A Thermal Imaging Camera. The Habotest HT821A Thermal Imaging Camera is a versatile handheld device built for clear and detailed thermal imaging in many different situations. It offers a wide temperature measurement range from -20 degrees Celsius all the way up to 550 degrees Celsius. This makes it suitable for power inspections, checking underfloor heating pipelines, equipment maintenance, and general temperature monitoring tasks. One of the most important features of the Habotest HT821A thermal imaging camera is its 320 by 240 resolution. This high-definition thermal resolution allows you to see detailed heat patterns and easily identify hotspots or unusual temperature differences. Instead of guessing where the problem might be, you get a clear visual map that shows exactly what is happening. Unlike basic infrared thermometers that only measure a single point, this camera provides automatic tracking of hot and cold points, lines, and frames. That means the device can quickly highlight the hottest and coldest areas within the image. This saves time during inspections and helps you focus on problem areas without manually scanning every section. It also accounts for environmental corrections, which improves measurement accuracy in real-world conditions. Another big advantage is the wide detection area. The Habotest HT821A thermal imaging camera covers a broader view, allowing you to inspect larger surfaces more efficiently. Whether you are checking electrical panels, mechanical systems, or building insulation, you can capture more information in a single frame. This makes your inspections faster and more comprehensive. The handheld design makes it easy to carry and operate. You can move around freely while capturing real-time thermal data. The interface is designed for clarity and ease of use, so you can quickly understand what you are seeing on the screen. It combines professional-grade imaging with everyday usability, which is ideal for both experienced technicians and advanced DIY users. Overall, the Habotest HT821A thermal imaging camera delivers strong performance, accurate readings, automatic hot and cold tracking, and detailed thermal visuals in one compact device. It is built to help you detect issues early and work more efficiently. If you're looking for a reliable thermal imaging solution for inspections or troubleshooting, this could be the right choice. Check the price link in the description for more details. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Dude's Tech for more helpful tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.